In this video, we can talk about top 5 Omnisend alternatives and competitors. Hey, welcome back to our Alternatives Code channel. Today, we have an exciting lineup of email marketing powerhouses for you. If you're on the hunt for alternatives to the popular Omnisend, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 5 alternatives of Omnisend, which are Brevo, Klaviyo, GetResponse, MailerLite, and ConstantContact. Each of these alternatives brings a unique set of features and capabilities to boost your email marketing game. So, buckle up and let's uncover the standout features and facts about these fantastic options. Our first alternative is Brevo. Brevo is an all-in-one marketing automation solution that combines email marketing, SMS marketing, and marketing automation tools. It offers features like deal pipelines, SMS marketing, email marketing, and WhatsApp campaigns. With its intuitive interface and powerful automation features, Brevo makes it easy for you to design visually appealing emails and target specific customer segments. Brevo's standout feature is its AI-powered predictive analytics, which helps businesses anticipate customer behavior and send highly relevant emails. The second alternative is Klaviyo. Klaviyo is a widely recognized email marketing solution known for its robust features and user-friendly interface. It offers a comprehensive range of features like pre-built template libraries, SMS conversations, and automated A/B testing. It also offers detailed analytics and reporting, providing valuable insights into campaign performance. Klaviyo's standout feature is its deep integration with Facebook advertising, allowing businesses to create highly targeted ads based on customer data captured through email marketing. Moving on to the third alternative, we have GetResponse. GetResponse stands out as a versatile email marketing platform that empowers businesses of all sizes with its comprehensive suite of features and user-friendly interface. Some of its exclusive features are marketing automation, website builder, and SMS marketing. From seamless campaign management to advanced segmentation options, GetResponse provides a powerful toolkit for creating personalized email experiences that drive conversions. One of the standout features of GetResponse is its webinar hosting functionality, allowing businesses to seamlessly integrate webinars into their marketing strategy. Next up, we have MailerLite. Designed for small businesses and entrepreneurs, MailerLite is a user-friendly email marketing tool with an array of features. Some of its key features like email verifier automation, newsletter editors, and website builder. MailerLite also offers powerful automation workflows, allowing you to send targeted messages based on subscriber behavior. Standout feature is its affordability, as it offers a free plan for businesses with up to a certain number of subscribers. This makes it an attractive option for budget-conscious users who still require powerful email marketing capabilities. Lastly, we have ConstantContact. ConstantContact is an all-in-one email marketing platform suitable for small businesses and nonprofits. It offers a range of features like marketing automation, SMS marketing, customizable forms, and email monitoring. With ConstantContact, you can track your email campaign's performance through detailed reports, manage contacts, and engage with your audience on social media. One of the standout features of ConstantContact is its extensive library of resources, including webinars, guides, and marketing tips, offering valuable educational materials for users. Compared to Omnisend, Brevo offers advanced segmentation and AI-powered predictive analytics perfect for every business size. Klaviyo stands out for its deep integration with Facebook advertising, enabling businesses to leverage social media platforms for targeted campaigns. GetResponse is great with comprehensive marketing automation capabilities and offers advanced webinar hosting functionalities to further engage customers. MailerLite offers an intuitive interface and a drag-and-drop editor, making it easy to create visually appealing emails without any coding knowledge. ConstantContact has a strong focus on event management, allowing businesses to seamlessly promote and manage events alongside their email campaigns. After going through the features of each alternative, we would recommend GetResponse as the best option besides Omnisend. GetResponse provides a built-in landing page builder, allowing businesses to create visually appealing and conversion-focused landing pages without the need for third-party tools or services. With its emphasis on both email marketing and landing page optimization, GetResponse stands out as a strong alternative to Omnisend, especially for businesses looking for an all-in-one solution to streamline their marketing efforts. And that's a wrap. We've uncovered a treasure trove of email marketing powerhouses. But guess what? This is just the beginning. We have a whole lineup of exciting content coming your way. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.